This is the XL air fryer. You can see it's very nice. It's stainless steel and black. It has digital controls. Comes with an easy to follow instruction manual. Also gives you the default times for some of the settings I'll show you in a few minutes. Also helpful hints of what to do and not to do, how to clean it, and then it also has more recommendations specifically to the type of food, like if you have thin or thick fries, they advise you should shake them, how many minutes. It's pretty helpful. It comes with a really nice cookbook. You may know this chef that's featured in there, Stacy Stewart, and it has recipes that you could try out in the air fryer as well. Some pretty nice recipes. And then it also comes with this card with a QR code. You get an extra gadget for free, it looks like, for giving your opinion. Looks like they give you an Amazon card, parchment paper specifically for the air fryer, or a rack set. So that's something that you can do probably pretty quickly. And then to pull out, to use it, you pull this out, and you can see the inside is very large. It's much larger than your standard air fryer, so you could fit quite a bit in there. And then place it back in there, push it in, and you can see you've got it locked in when that beeps at you, and it doesn't turn on, but it lets you know that it's locked in. Okay, I'm going to show you how you use the controls. So to turn it on, you just hold that down for a second, the power button. To turn it off, obviously you could press it again. When it's blue, it's on, red, it's off. It has several of the quick set buttons. So this is chicken. It's $3.92, and in a second the time will pop up. It's a default at 25 minutes. You can change that by pressing up or down. You can even, if you want it to be hotter or colder, you can change the temperature up and down. There's a temperature and there's the time. There's a fish setting. It's set for 356 at 20 minutes. Shrimp is set for 320 degrees Fahrenheit at 7 minutes. Pizza is 356 for 8 minutes. French fries is 392 degrees, and the default setting is 13 minutes. It does give you helpful hints in the back for French fries. If you're using thinner ones, you would want to do the time down to 7 to 10 minutes. So I would try like at 8 and then check it, and then they say you should shake it. So maybe set it for 4 and do it that way, or you can set a timer for yourself, but set it for 8 minutes. Then you would just pause it, pull it out, shake it, and it pauses it for 8 minutes. Then when you're ready for it to start again, put that in there and press play for it to keep going. Then there's a cake button. It's 320 degrees for 15 minutes. There's a steak button for 356 degrees at 14 minutes. And then chicken wings for 356 degrees at 20 minutes. So these are obviously the most used foods in here. But if you have your own food, obviously you don't need to set these buttons. You can just pick a temperature that you'd like and the number of minutes, and then press start. And then pause it if you want it to stop. So we're going to show you how to, we're going to test out making some French fries. Okay, so we're going to make some French fries. Pull this out. Put them in there. I've learned not to pour directly out of the bag, because then you get all the crumbs that's hard to clean out later. So we're just going to cook the rest of the fries in this bag. And I'm going to spread them out. So, in here. Okay, we're going to do the fry setting. And these are little, I would say these are thinner. So I'm gonna do the 10 minutes and I'll stop it at 5 minutes and shake them and put it back in there. So we're gonna try it out at 10 minutes for the thinner fries at 392. Okay, so you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's really small, but it says shake. So you just pause it. They've been cooking for 5 minutes plus the warm-up time. That's another different thing about this than other air fryers. Other air fryers, you have to preheat it for 3 minutes. This one, you stick it in there cold, and part of the time that it calculates is the warming up time. So you can see they're starting to brown, and they've been cooking for heat time plus 5 minutes. So I'm going to shake them up, and I'm just going to spread them out with a wooden spoon. And they're going to cook for 5 more minutes. Okay, so the 10 minutes is up, and they look like they're crunchy. They look like they cooked perfectly. So I'm going to pour them on a plate. And you can see it's going to be very easy to clean that up. I'll put a little salt on them. Then you have fresh fries. Okay, I have to say these are the best fries that I've had in an air fryer. They're crunchy, they're perfect. They're excellent. You don't even need ketchup. They're cooked to perfection. So I definitely give this air fryer 5 stars because I've had several. These are the best fries.